Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you manufacturers how you can quickly and easily add a dealer. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our tabs up here at the top, and we're going to look for our dealers tab, and we're going to go ahead and click that. And then we are going to click the button that says Add New Dealer. Once we do that, we have a search bar here. So, for example, I'm going to type in the word carport. So let's say you type in that company's name and you get a result that looks like this. All that means is that they have their own independent sensei so that you can send them an association, which in sensei is similar to like a Facebook friend request, right? You send them an association, they accept it, it automatically adds you, their manufacturer, into their sensei as an option to share an order with, an option to price with, and an option to put a contract together with. So that is the first way that you can do that. If your dealer is not on Sensei and we do, let's say, Bob's Carports, this will pop up. This is just a quick and easy thing to fill out. You can give them a dealer ID, fill out their information, their address, contact info, all the important stuff. The biggest thing to pay attention to is down here. I will pay for this dealer, which means it'll add a $40 subscription per month to your manufacturer Sensei subscription monthly. Or the dealer will pay for themselves, which means that we will actually charge that dealer X amount of dollars to get Sensei for them. Now, they have a choice. They can just use it through you, or they can have their own independent. That is more of an introduction email that gets sent when you select dealer will pay for themselves. If you're okay with it as a manufacturer, you want to go ahead and pay for your dealer, it is $40 per dealer per user per month. That is how easy it is to add a dealer, guys. And then you'll notice once you actually add the dealers, you'll see them from your list here. What's really cool about it is you can go to any of these lists here, like Chase's dealer, for example. You can click it, and you can actually pull reports on your dealers. This helps you. Let's look at this here. What this does for you as a manufacturer is it helps you better determine how quality of a dealer this is for you. Are they sending you a good enough orders to justify paying for their sensei, or are they sending you enough orders? Have they sent them to you lately? For example, if we look at this one, something happened in June. Maybe they sent some orders somewhere else and they started to pick back up, and then it kind of leveled out again. This will show you your statuses. So 3 are pending, 43 have been accepted, 1 revision and 1 canceled. That's a very reliable dealer. How much money that they've generated for you and how much they have collected themselves, what their average building is and what their average customer spends, of course, their coverage area. So you actually get to pull all these reports. So that's why it's important to make sure that you're using the dealer portal in Sensei, adding the dealers here, because you can even scroll down in notes. If you notice for this example, I keep a note of what their commission rates are. So as it changes, even discount rates, as they change, I can always leave a note because it tells me a date and time that I leave those notes. Further down in files, I can even add their dealer agreements, their W-2s or 1099s or whatever documents that you guys have them sign. You can actually scan those and add those here so that you can always reflect back to them. That's how simple our dealer portal and how to add dealers is within Sensei. We try to make it as easy as possible for you guys and give you enough resources so that you can better scale your business. My name is Chase. As always, we're so thankful for all the feedback and support we get from everyone. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to give us a call, send us an email. And as always, until I see you guys again, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.